In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom dashboard in Airtable. This step-by-step guide will help you streamline your workflow and organize your data efficiently. To get started, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Airtable website. Once you've logged into your account, you're ready to dive into the process of creating your personalized dashboard. The first thing you need to do is look for the Create button. It's usually located in an easily visible area on your dashboard screen. Clicking this button is your gateway to starting something unique, crafted specifically for your needs. You'll be presented with the option to select an untitled base. At this moment, it's important to give your base a name that reflects its purpose. Choosing the right name not only helps you locate your dashboard more easily in the future, but also keeps your numerous projects organized as they begin to multiply. Once you've set up your base, direct your attention to the Interfaces tab. This tool is immensely powerful for anyone looking to create a dynamic and interactive workspace tailored to their specific needs. By clicking on this tab, you open a world of possibilities for visualizing your data in creative ways. When you enter the Interfaces section, you'll notice an option that says, Start Building. Don't be intimidated by this step. Click on it, as it marks the official beginning of bringing your custom dashboard to life. As you delve into building your interface, you'll see a prompt to build an interface. Go ahead and click it. This will initiate the construct of your dashboard. It is wise to enter this phase with a concept or an end goal in mind so you can structure your design effectively, aligning with your intent. After selecting this option, type in the name you desire for your custom dashboard. The name should symbolize the primary function or theme of your setup, making it instantly recognizable. After your dashboard has its new name, move forward by clicking on Next to proceed. Here, you'll be presented with various viewing options. Spend some time contemplating which view will best serve your data presentation needs. The view you choose will dictate how all your information is visually organized and interacted with, so it's a choice worth pondering. Once you've made your selection, follow the additional prompts, guiding you to click on Next once more. Now let's talk about adding those final touches. Take a moment to review your interface and ensure everything aligns perfectly with your vision. Remember, any adjustments you might have overlooked can always be corrected later. Once you're satisfied with your dashboard's configuration, complete the setup by clicking on Finish. That's all it takes. You've successfully created a custom dashboard in Airtable. This newfound skill will empower you to manage and present your data in a more appealing and intuitive way. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different designs and functionalities to fine-tune your expertise. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your digital workspace.